field trial of the efficacy of a combination of imidacloprid and permethrin against Tunga penetrans, sand flea, jigger flea, in dogs in Brazil. Tunga penetrans, commonly known as the jigger flea, is a troublesome parasitic skin pest affecting both humans and animals, particularly dogs, in many parts of the world. In Brazil, a field trial was conducted to assess the effectiveness of a topical treatment using a combination of 10% imidacloprid and 50% permethrin, Advantix, in the management of tungiasis in dogs. This study aimed to evaluate the impact of the treatment on the reduction of flea infestations in dogs and its potential to curb the transmission of tungiasis to humans. The field trial involved 34 dogs in total, with 17 dogs treated topically with Advantix, while the other 17 dogs served as the untreated control group. The dogs were chosen based on their existing tungiasis lesions, and the trial commenced with the treatment application. Results and observations. Regular follow-up assessments were carried out on days 7, 14, 21, and 28 post-treatment. The observations indicated a significant difference between the treated and untreated groups. Starting from day 7, the flea load in the dogs treated with Advantix began to decrease, with many dogs becoming free of tungiasis lesions. In contrast, the untreated dogs continued to have a high flea load throughout the study period. The findings of this field trial have several important implications. Effective treatment. The combination of imidacloprid and permethrin, Advantix, demonstrated its efficacy in reducing tungiasis in dogs. This suggests its potential as a reliable method for controlling tungiasis in canine populations. Reduction of human cases. Dogs play a significant role in the transmission of Tunga penetrans to humans as they disperse flea eggs in the environment. Treating dogs with Advantix not only alleviates their suffering but may also reduce the incidence of tungiasis in humans. By targeting dogs with effective treatment, this approach may contribute to the overall reduction of tungiasis cases within the community. Conclusion. The field trial in Brazil highlights the potential of using a combination of imidacloprid and permethrin, Advantix, as an effective means of reducing tungiasis in dogs. By alleviating the burden of infestation in dogs and potentially decreasing the transmission of Tunga penetrans to humans, this treatment approach offers promise in mitigating the impact of tungiasis in both animal and human populations. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and activate the notification bell if you wish to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.